Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Roblox account that manages parental controls. You must be the account owner or parent. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified and you can receive security codes, because Roblox requires verification for sensitive changes. Check account info to note the current date of birth. This saves time if you later dispute or request support. When ready, open the Settings gear icon and proceed to Account Info to attempt the DOB edit. You now try to change the date of birth under Account Info, enter the correct DOB and save. If Roblox blocks the change, don't panic. This is common to prevent abuse. Once blocked, prepare a support request. Gather a government ID or birth record that matches the requested DOB and a screenshot of the account page. Then open the Roblox support form, choose Account Issues, explain why the DOB must be changed, and attach your documents to speed verification. You finish by waiting for Roblox support to review your submission. Expect a reply to the verified email and check spam folders. Once approved, sign back in and confirm the date of birth change, then review parental controls to ensure restrictions reflect the new age. If support denies the request, reread their reason, then either resubmit with clearer identity documents or, as a fallback, create a new Guardian-managed account and migrate passwords and settings. Tip: if changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.